Hi everyone, my name is Casey. My field placement takes place at a nonprofit organization that provides free psychosocial support for anyone affected by cancer. Clients that fall under that umbrella would be the recently diagnosed, those going through cancer treatment, and those who are post treatment. We also provide support for loved ones, so friends, family, and caretakers, as well as the recently bereaved for those who have recently lost someone to cancer. One thing that I really enjoy about my field experience is the model that my organization operates under, which is completely free programming and services and mental health support for all of the clients that come through our doors. I think that a lot of the clients here would otherwise not have access to mental health support because of financial barriers or otherwise. So that's really gratifying to be able to emphasize that when talking with potential new clients and doing intakes. And I really get behind the model here, and it makes the experience all the better. Um, One challenge that I faced in my field experience that I didn't think as much about in the beginning, and it's been really eye-opening, is the host of other issues that come with any new client. I've encountered a couple domestic abuse situations and a lot of disclosure about a variety of other non cancer related issues. And so that has been really interesting to me, but definitely a challenge. And it's made me reflect a lot about what we've learned. And just as far as like tapping into supervision goes, it's been definitely challenging, but in a way that I can feel myself growing and learning from, which I like. And it definitely, I'm, I'm happy to be that person for a lot of people, because not everybody wants to talk about cancer. So it's been interesting to say the very least. Um, One thing I've learned about myself throughout my field experience is that I have the capacity to effectively facilitate groups, as an introvert and as someone who has always been, I don't command a room at all. I like to be in the background a lot of times. It's been interesting to watch myself grow, and really rewarding that I can facilitate a group and garner respect from clients. And I just really enjoy seeing the familiar faces week to week, and being able to be comfortable with welcoming new people and just fostering a comfortable atmosphere for the clients who are in the group that I facilitate week to week. It's really something that I never thought I would say I was comfortable doing. So that's been rewarding. I'm really looking forward to working with all of you. Thanks for watching my video.